Daily News Capsule by Abhit Shiksha. International Civil Aviation Day is observed on 7th December. The aim behind celebrating the day is to create awareness across the world about the importance of international civil aviation to the social and economic development of states. International Civil Aviation Day was celebrated first time on 7th December 1994 at the 50th anniversary of the signing of the Convention on International Civil Aviation by the International Civil Aviation Organization. The Council has decided that until 2023, the theme will be Advancing Innovation for Global Aviation Development. 7th December is observed as the Armed Forces Flag Day throughout the country to honor the martyrs and the men in uniform who valiantly fought and continue to fight on our borders to safeguard the country's honor. On 28 August 1949, the Ministry of Defense decided to celebrate this day to honor the soldiers, sailors, and airmen. This day's celebration intends to tribute the valiant and martyred soldiers and to revamp the harmony of citizens. Goldsikka Private Limited launched its first gold ATM of the country with technology support from OpenCube Technologies Private Limited, a Hyderabad-based startup. The ATM dispenses gold coins. People can insert their debit or credit cards into the ATM and purchase gold coins. The ATM can store 5 kilograms of gold and it provides 8 options for the quantity of gold starting from 0.5 grams to 100 grams. The 7th edition of Exercise Sangam, a joint naval special forces exercise between Indian Navy Marcos and US Navy SEALs commenced in Goa. The exercise is planned for a duration of 3 weeks wherein personnel will exercise and hone their skills in maritime interdiction operations, direct action missions, combat free-fall jumps, special heliborne operations, and various other evolutions. Exercise Sangam was first conducted in 1994. That's all for today's news capsule. See you in the next.